Situation. Talking about jobs. 1. I'm a doctor. Long time no see.
It's been a while.
How have you been?
I'm great. How about you?
Same old, same old. How about your job? What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
Awesome. Why did you choose to be a doctor?
Because my father is a doctor. I admire him. I want to be a good doctor like him.
You can do it. What hospital are you working at?
I work at Stanford Hospital.
It's a big hospital. 2. Teacher.
What a beautiful morning. Right? What is your job, Andy? I'm a teacher. What a coincidence. I'm a teacher too. Are you a primary school teacher or a high school teacher? I'm a high school teacher. How about you? Primary school teacher. Great. Do you think teaching is a difficult job? No, I think I'm suitable for teaching. It's not easy, but I like it. What subject do you teach? I teach math. I teach science.
3. A suitable job. Why do you look so sad? I just quit my job. Why? I don't like that job. I realize I have to do what I love.
What will you do next?
Find a suitable job.
What is your favorite job?
I love baking. I can make many kinds of cakes.
Sounds great.
I want to have my own bakery.
Do you have any experience?
No, so I'll apply for a job at the big bakery first.
Try your best.